Have you ever wondered why Hindus ring temple bells before prayer? In Hindu tradition, the sound of the bell is considered sacred and auspicious. It is believed to help the mind focus on God and leave behind distracting thoughts. The ringing of the bells creates a spiritual atmosphere for worship and meditation. Many devotees ring the bell before entering the temple as a mark of devotion and reverence. The sound reminds us to be fully present in prayer and connect with the divine. That is why temple bells are an important part of Hindu worship.